G'day boys, if you saw our last video we done some FIFA and the loser had to do an ice bucket challenge. But since we decided to do this, right, we have no ice, so it's going to be cold water. And since I didn't bring it to clothes, it's going to be quite small from me. So yeah, don't judge. Quite small. Right, I reckon you skip it. He's having, how many you having? 1.5. He's having 1.5, I'm having half. Right, he's having the full one, plus a little bit more, and I'm having a full one. I'm not full one, I'm having a half one. So I'm having half, he's having a half plus a big one.
No, you have 3/4, I'll have 1/2.
Nah. No. I won. Alright, I'm going to put it down.
I'm going first.
I'm holding you first. Righto.
No, you're going first.
No, you're not first.
Yeah, no, you're
Because I'm doing a half one. Because I'm doing a half one. You're going first.
No, I hate you.
Alright, he's going first. No, do you want me to tip it on you? Or are you going to tip it on?
If you want to.
Righto, I'll tip it on you. Alright, you ready, James?
Oh, no.
Alright, he's ready.
Fucking.
Alrighty. Is you even doing take the jumper off? You gonna take the jumper off? Alright. Righto. You ready?
No.
Set. Come this way a bit. Come this way a bit. Alright. You ready? Set. Go. Oh, I didn't even get half of it on you.
You're right, you didn't get it.
Alright. I'll pause it here and we'll refill it and then he'll go have another
it's
go.
your turn now, I'm doing.
Right, turns out he's only doing one and then I'm only having half. Actually a quarter, I think we're only doing half. Yeah, stop it there, that'll be that's enough. Alright.
That's not even 40 yet.
Alright, fucking stop now. That's more what that's like how much you had. A bit less than what you had.
Yeah, you said a bit less than that.
So fine. I think I'll pull some out. Righto. A bit more, I'll give it a stop. Start to see.
Look how far one went. Something you did.
I'll put you a tiny bit out.
I'll just go back and refill it.
Alright. That's not. Go on. Alright. Oh, I want to do it.
No.
I want to do it. You're going to drop it on me. You're going to put the whole bucket on me.
No, I won't.
Alright, wait for them. Let's get in front. Wait, have we got towels there?
Yes.
Where's the towel?
Inside.
Where's the towel? Right there. I'll be right back. Just go grab towels. Column's still dry. Right, alright, I just grabbed some towels. And it's my go now. Can I do it? Wait,
No.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
No.
Wait, I gave you the option. I gave you an option.
No.
So,
No.
you gave me the option. I gave you the option. I gave you the option,
No,
Dad.
come over here. Oh, no. Just come over here.
No, come over here. Alright. Righto then. Ready, set, go.
That was right on you.
That's right on. Oh my god. Alright, there's the cow. Change. Oh my god, I'm so cold, man. We should have grabbed ice though. Since we didn't have any ice, or could we fuck making any?
We should do it again for the ice.
We might do it again, but we might just like stick the bucket in the freezer for like a bit.
Nah.
Have you got any ice?
Huh?
Have you got any ice?
Nah.
Oh, he's got the towel soaking wet, you fucking stickhead. Oh, piss off.
I'm doing it to myself.
Right. Well, Bill, away from that. Alright. Guess I don't damage this. See you next time.